Peppa and George. Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to draw and color Peppa and George. Let's grab our black markers and start drawing the outlines. We are gonna start with George. His nose, his face, his eyes. Look at that big smile. He's got a winter hat and scarf. His arms, gloves, and his legs. Now it's Peppa's turn, with her hat, gloves, and winter scarf. Drawing and coloring is so fun, so join me, let's draw. Now it's time to color our beautiful drawing. Let's start with George's face. Let's color it pink. Look at that little cheek. Let's color that pink too. Now it's time to color his jacket. What color is good for George's jacket? How about blue? Yay, blue is great for George. And now brown for his pants. And black for his shoes. Now let's use our gray color for shadings. George is ready. Now it's Peppa's turn. Let's start with pink. Kids, what do you think that Peppa and George are going to do? Maybe they are going to make a snowman. Let's color Peppa's cheek pink. And now it's time for her jacket. Let's color her jacket red. That's right, red. Wow, it's a beautiful color. Let's use light brown for her pants and black for her shoes. Finally, let's add a little gray shading. Yay! We did it! To see more videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye!